Today we learn neighborhood places. School. Children come to school to learn. Bank. A bank looks after people's money and lends money to people. Court. A place where trials and other legal cases happen. Fire station, where fire engines are kept and where firefighters work. Police station, the local office of the police. Hospital, a place where people who are ill are taken care of by doctor and nurses. Dentists, where a dentist treat people teeth. Pharmacy, a shop in which medicine are prepared. Church, a place for religious activities. Bazaar, a group of small shop and people selling things. Cinema, a place where people come to watch films. Gym, where you can go to exercise and keep fit. Bakery, a place where you can buy bread and cakes. Grocery, a store where you can buy food and small items for the house. Florist shop, a place where you can buy flowers and plant. Supermarket, a place where you can buy food and other goods that you need. Shopping mall, a place where you can find lot of store and restaurants. Fast food restaurant, where food is served very quickly. Restaurant, a place where meals are prepared and served to customers. Parking lot, a place where you can leave your car for a period of time. Office, the building where people work. Stadium, a place where sports are played. Bus station, a place where buses stop to let passengers get on and off. Train station, where trains stop to let passengers on and off. Subway station, the place where subway stop to let passenger on and off. Gas station, a place where fuel is sold for road vehicles. Hotel, a building where you pay to stay in a room. Airport, a place where planes arrive and leave. Factory, a building where large amount of goods are made using machines. Museum, a building where objects of historical, scientific or artistic interest are kept. Theater, a place where people can watch a performance. Park, a place with grass and trees where people can walk and children can play. Playground, where children can play in. Amusement park, a place with entertaining activity. Zoo, a place in which wild animals are kept so that people can go and look at them. Farm, where farmers grow crop or keep animals. Swimming pool, a pool filled with water for people to swim in. Library, a place where you can find a collection of books that you can read or borrow. Hairdressers, a place where you can get a haircut.